Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce you to the Makeup Vanity Set with lighted mirror. A perfect blend of elegance and functionality for any girl or woman looking to enhance her beauty routine. This vanity table features an upgraded storage design with hidden compartments behind the mirror, 5 spacious drawers, and both open and hidden shelves, providing ample space for all your jewelry and makeup essentials. The 3-color LED sliding mirror allows you to easily switch between warm, natural, and cold light with just a touch, ensuring flawless makeup application in any lighting condition. Crafted from quality MDF material, this sturdy vanity desk comes with a matching stool that boasts a strong, padded cushion seat for ultimate comfort and durability. It's an ideal gift for birthdays, Valentine's Day, Christmas, or any special occasion, as no girl could resist such a beautiful and practical dressing table. The overall dimensions are 31.5 by 14.2 by 51.6 inches, and assembly is a breeze with clearly numbered parts and an included manual, plus installation videos to guide you through the process. Enjoy a delightful bonding experience with your child as you assemble this exquisite piece of bedroom furniture together. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.